chocolate muffins that took the internet by storm? Everyone was baking them. Pictures flooded social media. It seemed like every other post was about these delectable treats. From professional bakers to home cooks, everyone wanted a piece of the action. People couldn't get enough of their soft, chocolatey goodness. The way they melted in your mouth was simply irresistible. Each bite was a perfect blend of rich chocolate and fluffy muffin. What made them so special? Was it the unique recipe, the quality of ingredients, or perhaps the love and care put into each batch? Was it the irresistible swirl of batter, that mesmerizing pattern that promised a delightful experience with every bite? Or maybe the generous sprinkle of chocolate chips in every bite? Those little bursts of chocolate that made each muffin a mini celebration? Whatever the secret, one thing's for sure. These muffins were a viral sensation for a reason. And the best part? They brought people together, creating a community of muffin enthusiasts. They're incredibly easy to make at home. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of time, you can recreate this viral sensation in your own kitchen. Get ready to experience the magic of these viral muffins. Watch as they rise in the oven, filling your home with an irresistible aroma. This recipe will guide you through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. From mixing the batter to the final bake, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to make these muffins a hit. Before we embark on our baking journey, let's gather our ingredients. This recipe is all about simplicity, so don't worry about complicated components. You probably already have most of these staples in your pantry. Here's what you'll need: all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, milk, vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla extract, and of course, a generous amount of chocolate chips. Remember, the quality of your ingredients can impact the final result, so choose wisely. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. This step is crucial for ensuring that all the dry ingredients are evenly distributed. We want every bite of our muffins to have the perfect balance of sweetness, chocolatey flavor, and that signature airy texture. Take your time whisking, making sure there are no lumps of cocoa powder or clumps of flour. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. The key here is to combine these ingredients until they are well incorporated. You want to see the mixture come together into a smooth, cohesive batter. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to tough muffins. Just whisk until everything is combined and you're good to go. Section 5. Combining wet and dry, the gentle fold. This is where the magic truly happens. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients. Using a rubber spatula, gently fold the mixture together until just combined. Remember, we're not looking to develop gluten here, so avoid overmixing. The batter should still have a few lumps, but everything should be hydrated. This gentle folding technique is what gives the Olympic chocolate muffins their signature soft and tender crumb. Section 6. Chocolate chips. Embracing the power of chocolate. Now it's time to introduce the stars of the show. The chocolate chips. Fold in your chocolate chips until they're evenly distributed throughout the batter. The chocolate chips add bursts of sweetness and a satisfying melt-in-your-mouth texture to every bite. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or even a combination of both depending on your preference. Section 7. Scooping and prepping, shaping your masterpieces. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. This will make it easier to remove the muffins once they're baked. Using an ice cream scoop or a large spoon, divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. Here's a pro tip. For an extra touch of indulgence, sprinkle a few extra chocolate chips on top of each muffin before baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Place the muffin tin in the preheated oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Keep a close eye on your muffins as they bake, as oven temperatures can vary. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown on top and spring back lightly when touched. Section 9. The Science of Softness, a fun fact. Did you know that the secret to the Olympic chocolate muffins' incredible softness lies in the combination of baking powder and baking soda? These leavening agents work together to create a light and airy texture that's simply irresistible. Baking powder provides an initial rise, while baking soda reacts with the acidic ingredients in the batter to create even more lift. Section 10. The Grand Reveal, Unveiling the Chocolate Treasures. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, where the magic of baking comes to life. Once the muffins are baked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the muffins to firm up slightly, ensuring they hold their shape when transferred. This will allow them to set slightly, making them easier to handle. Gently press the tops to feel the softness and warmth, a sign that they are just right. Then, transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is essential to prevent the bottoms from becoming soggy and to ensure even cooling. As they cool, the aroma of freshly baked chocolate will fill your kitchen, creating an irresistible temptation. The scent will waft through the air, making it hard to wait for that first bite. The muffins will have a beautiful golden brown dome, and the chocolate chips will be melted and gooey. Each muffin will be a delightful combination of a slightly crisp exterior and a soft, moist interior, with pockets of melted chocolate that promise a burst of flavor in every bite. Finally, arrange the muffins on a serving plate and watch as they disappear quickly, enjoyed by everyone. These chocolate treasures are sure to be a hit, leaving everyone asking for more. Section 11. Customization Station. Unleashing your inner chef. Feel free to get creative and customize your Olympic chocolate muffins to your liking. You can add a handful of chopped walnuts or pecans for a nutty crunch. A sprinkle of sea salt on top will enhance the chocolate flavor. For a festive twist, try adding a teaspoon of peppermint extract to the batter and top the muffins with crushed candy canes. The possibilities are endless. Conclusion. Share the muffin love. Congratulations! You've successfully recreated the viral Olympic chocolate muffins. These delightful treats are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a joy for the taste buds. Now it's time to share your delicious creations with the world. Whether it's with your family, friends, or even your neighbors, these muffins are sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. These muffins are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon snack. Imagine starting your day with a warm chocolatey muffin, or enjoying one during a relaxing afternoon tea. They also make a thoughtful gift for friends and family. Wrap them up beautifully, and you have a homemade present that shows you care. So go ahead, grab a muffin or two, and indulge in the rich, chocolatey goodness. Pour yourself a glass of milk and savor the moment. There's nothing quite like the combination of a delicious muffin and a refreshing drink. And don't forget to share your baking triumphs on social media using the hashtag #OlympicChocolateMuffins. Show off your hard work and inspire others to join in the fun of baking these amazing muffins.